Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Find X3 Lite to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and tapping on the search bars right away. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer, then just open it. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android, and now you can finally select Send on Oppo and Receive on this Android device. Then tap on all of those type of dots and to Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of my files. I will go with one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow in the pop-up or while using the app, and point your camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, I can see that my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!